Hey, do you want to create a download link that expires after one click? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to pull that off. First of all, we're going to go ahead to a website called nimblelinks.com. Again, nimblelinks.com. All you got to do is type this link, and then you're going to be able to visit that website. Now what we're going to do, we're going to just go ahead and click Tools at the top. And then basically we're gonna just scroll a little bit down to the tools provided by the website, all right? And we're gonna just click right here, redirected by click count, okay? And we're gonna cancel this one, and we're gonna enter the website that we want to enter for free. Let's say, for example, www.adam.com, right? And here it says first 10 clicks. So after 10 people visit that website, you're gonna be able to actually remove that link automatically. So I'm gonna reduce this to, let's say, for example, 1, right? And I'm gonna create a link, right? And here it says must be valid. So just go ahead and enter any legitimate website. I'm just demonstrating how it's done, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead right here, for example, right, and then type something like, right, that's for example, right, and then you're gonna be able to implement that link, or you're gonna be able to generate that link, and then you're gonna be able to copy it and paste it, and you're gonna be redirected to the Nimble website. All right, after 1 click, 2 click, 3, 4, 5, 6, no matter how many times that you can set for yourself. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.